Hello and welcome, dear viewer. Today I will show you how I made this ring out of paper and stamps. You will need almost nothing for that except paper, a ruler, baking paper and a rod in the right size. And for the lesbian viewers we will also feature some scissor action. Oh, and you will also need some sanding paper. So I start by selecting the only two layers that will be seen later. The most inner and the most outer layer. I choose stamps with
Nefertiti
on it for the outer one, and for the inner layer I just took some page of a book. I cut them to size with some additional strips. Then I put the baking paper tightly around the rod. After that I put the most inner strip of paper tightly around. Then I start gluing around and round and round and round. Until I build up some millimeter worth of paper and put the stamps on the outside. Then I put the first layer of glue on the outside of the ring. The sides must be flooded with glue so it can seep in the layers. So I do one side at a time and let it dry in between, so it doesn't rip. After the first layer I let it dry for a few minutes. Cut the excess off and sand the edges. After that I put just some more coats of glue and sand it and polish it. So it's finished. As you can see, it's pretty stable and it's also watertight, and as you can hear, it's pretty hard. This one is out of an old Pokemon playing card. This one is out of an old picture, and this one is out of a book, and this one is out of some other stamps. Bye! And check out my other videos. Mwah.